Hey everyone, it's me Shweta from Dhaatri Handicrafts. I hope you're all doing good. Today we are going to make something really new, that's mandala. I have been making mandala from my childhood, not knowing that it is actually called mandala. I was always into drawing the patterns. I would observe the saris of my teachers, and I would especially look at the borders of the saris to check what pattern I can replicate. So this thing has always been there with me. It's just that I didn't know that there was a special name for it. So what I used to call it was repetitive patterns and some random design. Okay, so it could be floral, it could be geometric, whatever, but that was something which would give me instant gratification, happiness and things like that. So I recently got back to mandala making, and of course I don't leave terracotta because whatever I do would be related to clay, because clay is, as we all know, eco-friendly, and I would not do anything that would harm the environment. So having said that, how does it feel to be making all this stuff amidst being a full-time homemaker? Yes, I am a homemaker, a proud homemaker, I must say. I have been into corporate industry. I worked for 10 years, and after my daughter was born, I decided not to work anymore. And of course I had my husband's support as well, without which I wouldn't have probably taken such a big decision. So how does it feel to be a homemaker? Well, initially it was quite difficult, because being a homemaker is one of the most fulfilling yet demanding roles. So it was not very easy for me to totally come back to doing nothing. So that was quite challenging. So how I kept myself busy was by getting back to hobbies, getting back to doing things that I liked doing and which I could not pursue because of my job responsibilities and things like that. So initially, of course, there wouldn't be any monetary benefits, but with time, if you are consistent and if people recognize your talent, they do give you orders for commission work and things like that. So that's how things have been working for me so far. So I thought of sharing this experience of mine with you all, so that it can motivate the homemakers into doing something that they always like doing, and something that they can monetize as well. So what I would say is that self-care is just not a luxury, it's a necessity. It's a simple act of carving out time to recharge your mind, body and soul. And just like a car needs fuel to run, you need me time to function at your best. So take out a little time from your routine, mundane activities. Do something that would really make you happy. And I'm sure rest of the things will definitely fall in place, because you homemakers are the ones who bring more energy, patience and love into your home. So you can't pour from an empty cup. So pursue some hobbies, give some time for yourself as well, and trust me, things will fall in place. We'll talk in depth about all these aspects in my upcoming videos, but I hope you liked today's mandala. I didn't even realize that we've come to the end of the video, and please, if you've not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Let's meet again. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.